आज आम्ही मनीष सिसोदिया जी हमारा है a person who is one of the most honest educationist, most honest politician, education minister of Delhi. It is a proud feeling that we as a team with our MLA Cruz, our ZP, our president, all the state members we are here. It is an opportunity to be here. We are proud to be part of the Aam Aadmi Party, sir. We have created such a revolution. I think not only people of Goa, the people of India will respect and remember this moment. I would like you to say a few words to the people of Goa.
No, thank you very much, and I must appreciate that all the team that has come here. I have been remembering you guys. I have been reading about your work, and you guys are doing amazing work in Goa. And thanks to people of Goa that they have elected 2 of our MLAs in ZP, and they have given so much respect, so much love to the idea of Arvind Kejriwal, to the idea of politics of Arvind Kejriwal, honesty, education, health, people service. All these are ideas of Arvind Kejriwal, and thank you very much for trusting us. Thank you very much for supporting this cause. Throughout 17 months when I was in jail, I have been remembering the love and respect I have received while traveling in Goa as a politician, as an Indian individual. You are amazing, and thanks for being that amazing. We'll meet soon, and in last 17 months I have been thinking more and more about nation, more and more with commitment to work for the public, including from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Goa, from everywhere, and for everywhere. So we'll work hard, we'll fight for the issues, we'll fight for your children, we'll fight for your health, families, prosperity, we'll fight for everything. We are here, so don't worry, together we'll fight for it. Thank you.
Here in Delhi, you are opening new schools. In Goa, they are closing schools.
That's very bad because
Pathetic state of government schools.
normally we call when we see any children, in family we call it future of the family, in country we call it future of the country. So if we are closing a school, then we are destroying the future of the country. We are playing with the future of Goa. Any government, any political party who is closing a school is a criminal, is doing against the welfare, it's ruining the future of the people. So we should oppose these parties.
We also ask them, give us 2 schools, we'll show and bring in change.
Yes, of
they
course.
don't want to do that.
But
So
don't
give
worry,
them time to
I'm sure people of Delhi will, people of Goa will give you more and more schools.
Yes,
Don't
yes.
worry. This government will not do it, but people of Goa this time will give you more and more schools to run as a government.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You will put the hand.
Okay, like this.